Hello, wonderful people. You may be wondering, is buying a land a good investment in the year 2022? The quick answer is yes, but it may not suit everyone. But those who want to diversify their investment into landed properties are making quick profits. And here in Urban Prime 3 Phase 2, I'm going to show you why many people are cashing out on landed investments. Come, let's check this out. Hello, welcome to Urban Prime 3 Phase 2. So, just as you've seen from the bed view, you must have seen our beautiful homes just after the gatehouse, and right here is where we have Urban Prime 3 Phase 2, because right here we are selling just land only. So if you want to key into our housing unit, that is available. But if you want to buy and build your own home, beautiful. That is one reason why landed properties are one of the sweetest investment options out there, because of what? They give you peace of mind, and they also give you the flexibility of building your own dream home. And in this estate, we have this property as a certificate of occupancy. That is what we have in this land, a certificate of occupancy, and it's an opportunity for you to build that mansion, that duplex, that gigantic home that you've been dreaming of, you know. And but still, some people might say, I don't want to build my own home, I have a home already, so what can I do with this land? Yes, you can take advantage of this land. And why it's very important is because some years ago, just barely 4 years ago, this same location, Lekki Scheme 2 Ogombo Road, was selling between 20 to 30 million naira. 4 years ago, was selling between 20 to 30 million naira. But guess how much this area is selling currently today? I was opportune to bring some people here to invest, some developers who were building rapidly in Chevron, Ologolo area, Orchard Road, and they were looking for other hotspots to diversify their investment into, and I brought them here. But they were scared off because they felt like this is all swampy, it's all forest, there is no development, until Landway, our property partner, introduced the Urban Prime project, and now Ogombo Road is now the talk of the town, and many people are flooding into this location right now. But you can take advantage of the current rush in this location and key into this investment. Now this estate currently is selling for 36 million naira for 300 square meter. That is 120,000 per square meter. So if you are going for 500 square meters, that is 60 million naira. And if you're going for 300 square meter, that is 36 million naira. But remember, I told you that 4 years ago, nobody could imagine that this property was going to sell for this price. So unfortunate that many people missed out on the opportunities. And congratulations to those who saw it, who had the foresight and keyed into it. But all hope is not lost. You can still make it. You can still take advantage, because one thing about property investment is that it never depreciates. It always appreciates, and people are always looking for lands to buy, to build. So you can decide to buy here for land banking and hold it for as long as you want, or you can decide to buy it and build your own duplexes and put it out for sale. Or you can buy it for the purpose of building that dream home for yourself. And this location is one of the hottest hotspots right now along the Lekki axis of Lagos. And you shouldn't miss this opportunity, because many people are regretting. Many people are really regretting not keying into it. So please, wonderful investors out there, I would like you to call us. Let's talk about your options. What do you really want to do with your land? And do you see yourself staying along this axis, Ogombo Road? It's a beautiful location. Not just too far away from you, we have all the beautiful beach fronts. Amazing places for you to enjoy vacation with your family. But in this time, even while I'm standing here, the breeze is so fresh and cool that you may not even need an AC in your house. That is the beauty of this location. And you have close proximity to VGC, Lekki Business School, Green Spring School, beautiful schools for your kids, shopping centers all around you, restaurants, travel spots, everything is here. So why wouldn't you consider this location? But you might say it's expensive. Yes, because when it was selling for cheap price, people were scared about buying into it. Now people have bought it and their property has to appreciate. That is it. So if you are buying now with the expectation that definitely this property is also going to what? Appreciate. So do the maths. If 4 years ago here was selling for 20 to 30 million naira 4 years ago, and today is selling for 60 million, 50 to 60 million, imagine what here will be selling in the next 5 years. Do the maths. Here will be selling for more than 150 million naira in the next few years to come. So the wise investor will do what? We buy right now and take advantage of these current prices and key in with just 10 million naira as initial deposit. And don't forget, this is a certificate of occupancy and this is a Tiosa local government. Beautiful. So the price is not, too expensive. In fact, as long as you will continue to make profit from this investment and your property will appreciate, there is nothing that you can do in this place. So please, wonderful investors, just call me. My numbers is there. My numbers are there. You can reach out to us on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and also on our website at montourproperties.com. You need to key into this project before the next price increase. By then, you will be making your next profit. So, smart people, this is open for inspection. Call us, book your reservation, whether virtual or physical. We can bring you here, you see things for yourself and see where you are going to be having your home. And this is an instant allocation. So immediately you finish your payments, boom, your property is allocated to you. That is one beautiful thing about this estate. And behind us, you can see the houses already growing very fast. Those are the housing units we have for sale. But now I'm telling you about a landed opportunity. And this is why many people are rushing this location. If you come here in the next 2 years, probably this may be selling for 100 million naira. And I can tell you, I have the statistics of how you can make that money in a very short period of time. And the simple question is, when are you going to key into this project? And the answer is right now. Now is the time for you to buy into this project, because tomorrow may be too late. So buy the land and wait. When people who wants to buy it higher from you comes, you increase the price and make profits. Beautiful, right? That is how wise investors make their money from real estate. Very simple. And this estate is secured with swimming pool, gym, security, drainage, central water system and sewage system. Beautiful. Everything here is, you will love it when you come see it yourself. So please, do not let anybody discourage you about this location. Right there on the screen. Our numbers are call and WhatsApp enabled. You can call us on 080-363-99665, or you can call us on 0705-8161-222. You can also reach us via our social media handles at Montour Properties and also our website at montourproperties.com. We are looking forward to your call so that we can book your reservation for inspection and also for your own reservation. So please feel free. Our reservations for inspection is free of charge, and our agency fee is also free of charge. You owe us nothing to see this beautiful place. Our happiness is seeing you find happiness when you want to make your real estate investment. Please take your time and also share this video to those who you think is going to love this idea. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We would love you to do this for us. Thank you very much for sticking with us all these points, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. See you once again.